Always enter your truck with 3 points of contact. Once in, adjust the seat and the mirrors to your liking. The seat belt, bracket, belt, and latch not cracked, bent, or broken. Securely attached, not missing hardware. The belt is not cut, dry, rotted, or frayed. Latches and unlatches properly. Move on up to the windshield. The windshield and the weather stripping, not cracked, bent, or broken. Securely attached, not missing hardware. The weather strip is not cut, dry, rotted, or frayed. My windows clean and clear. We're going to the dashboard and floorboard. They are both clean and clear of debris. Now we're going to a safety start. We're going to turn the key to the arm position. Let the truck synchronize. Check the brakes, make sure they're engaged. The truck is in neutral, then start your truck. Now that the truck is running, we're checking the gauges: oil pressure gauge, water temperature gauge, voltage meter, air, primary and secondary, and fuel all rising properly. The voltage should read between 12 and 15 volts. My air should rise to 125 or by governor releases. Moving out to the indicator lights, left and right turn signal, four-way flashers, headlights, high and low beam, all working properly. City horn and my highway horn are both working properly. My heat and defrost are working properly. Put up to the windshield wipers, that is, the wiper, bracket, and blade not cracked, bent, or broken, securely attached, and not missing hardware. The blade is not cut, dry, rotted, or frayed. They work properly. The washer fluid sprays, it works properly. Now waiting for the pressure to build. Once my pressure builds to 125, I hear the governor release. I will announce the governor's released. My ABS light is off. I'll set up for the brake test. At this point, I'm going to turn my motor off, the key back to the arm position. Clutch my truck into low gear, push both brakes in. Hold pressure on the service brake for 60 seconds. I have not lost more than 4 pounds of pressure in 60 seconds. My air is holding, I have no leaks. I'll now fan the brake down to 60 psi. My lower indicator light works, it's working properly. I'll fan down again to about 30 psi and both buttons pop. My spring brakes are engaging and working properly. Now we need to go back to a safety start. Now we'll clutch back into neutral. Make sure both brakes are out and restart my truck and build the pressure back to 125. Once the governor releases, I will announce once again the governor has released. My ABS light is off. I'll now do my tug test. I'll leave the red button out, push the yellow in, slightly tug. My trailer brakes holding, working properly. I'll now push the red in and yellow out, check the truck. Tug forward. The truck brakes holding, working properly. Now I'll push both buttons in. I'll gently pull forward, bring the truck to a normal stop. My steering did not pull left or right. The brakes are properly adjusted. My service brake working properly. Now at this point, I'm going to secure the truck. I'm going to set the brakes, go to neutral, turn the motor off, and ask for assistance in checking the exterior lights.